Front-end submissions with advanced custom field front ends. This is the Pro version, and it can do a lot. I'm very impressed. For example, if you see this post and you want to edit the post, and then you can make the changes, as you can see. And you can also make the alt texts. So it's very important for the SEO. So when somebody uploads the files, then they can customize the alt text. I've made also videos about that, but you can Google it. It's very important. And when they delete the photo, then it will also delete it from the media library. So when you delete it in here, then it also will be deleted on the back ends of the WordPress environment, which is very nice. So here by the media, then it will also be deleted in here. So let's try it. We delete it, and then when we refresh the page, you can see the picture here on the button, and it also disappears as well as the media liberty. So and when they want to upload another file, then they can do that by the library if you want that, or they can upload it, and they can upload the file which they want to use, upload it, and then they can select it. And obviously you want to use a tool like Short Pixels to allow to optimize the photo immediately when they're uploading a file. So if you don't want that, if you don't want to allow them to the library of the WordPress, then you go to the actions and let's see, no, it's the posts, the permission, sorry. The WordPress media library, then you can toggle it off and they won't be able anymore to go from the WordPress library. So I don't think that it works on this moment, but let's try it, because I have to cache it. So it's delete, and as you can see, now they are not allowed to upload it from the WordPress media. The only problem is that it stays on your WordPress environment, but I've made also a tutorial how you can delete the photos from your WordPress environments when the post is deleted. So now there are two of them. Let's see. Yeah, there are two of them, but that's not a problem. It's a little bit of code. You can embed it into your files, and you will be good to go. Now keep in mind that you must go to all the settings. The most important thing is, for example, the permissions. Make sure that you have the subscriber and administrator yourself who has permission to this post, this form, and you have to do that with all the forms that you use. So this is very important. Model window, if you toggle that on, then you can see in here that it's a button. So it will pop up, and then they can submit the form, or they can edit the form, and then it will be a pop-up. So this is a very nice feature. And yeah, that is it that are the most important things that you have to do with the front end forms. You also want to go to the settings and to the hide WordPress dashboards, and you want to make sure that that is toggled on, and select the role who can which people are not able to see the WordPress dashboards. so they won't get into the WordPress dashboards. Now there are more tools that use that. For example, hide my WordPress ghost, or some plugin like that. And if you have activated in there, then it's not necessarily to do it twice. Also, Jet Engine has also an option for that. If you go into the profile builder, then you can toggle it also on. But don't do think twice. It's better to do it on one plugin. You may get yourself some troubles. Um, so yeah, that is the form builder. And if we are going to the listings, and you see that I have made the user post item, then you can see that I've embedded the forms, but then of course in a button. This is for deleting the posts, and this is for adding the post, and this is the shortcodes that I've used. The features that you saw are also in here. So it's not necessarily to do it, of course, twice. If you can see it here, window model, if you check that on, then it will open. So this pop-up will open, and it will show once again the button. What makes no sense to let it show twice. So this is not necessary. We don't gonna do that. So it's in the listing, and you can do it however you want to do it. And of course, if you using another tool like Alec Custom Skin, they call it loops, then you can embed it into the loop of that particular plugin. Did I say everything what I had to say? Yeah, this is another thing that is very important, and that is when you go into the advanced costing forms to the media, and let's see in here the media, and you go into the future image, this case, and when you toggle on that it will upload to the post, then you may have to be sure that you also have checked it on with the advanced custom fields that you've made. So that is important as well. And yeah, there is not much more to say. If you can see here, you can also choose it from here, the WordPress media library. So you can do everything twice. So that may give some conflicts if you do it twice. So you can do it in the form itself and in the dashboard when you are adding it into the page. And what I also told you is that you can do this twice, upload to the post, because the first time you can do it on the advanced custom fields that you have made. So that's also twice. So that can be a little bit of kind of a problem, that you do it or too much, or you forget it to toggle it on both the advanced custom fields and the advanced custom front fields. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. Another thing is important, that you have the pro version of the advanced custom fields front ends, and you have the free version. If you use the pro version, don't install the free version. That's also double, and just don't do things double. Alright, thank you for watching, and till the next time. Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, I'm not gone yet. Of course, you know that is important. I'm sorry that when you are making the listing, let's see. I just want to mention it once again. It is actually for another tutorial, but it's very important, so I do it twice. So when you have the listing grid, and you want to go to the post query, and then choose for the post author and parameters, and then the current user. So that will only show the people who have uploaded the posts and not anyone else. So as you can see here, this is another user, and he is or she is not able to see this post. Okay, that was it.